So this is the result of my disassembly of my 2023 monkey bike. These are the old parts. We can see it overheated, and these are the new parts. So I just want to show you quickly what I found is the old part are too loose, not too tight. If you compare it to the new parts, this one with all the calculation between bushing, shaft and bore, I have 5 thou loose, and this one is within spec and I have 2.5 in total. And we can see there's a big difference. So what I think is happening is when we are running this gear, is not in operation. This is the output shaft where you're driving, the rear wheel. So this gear, something is wobbling, in the engine. It's either the bushing that is spinning or the gear, I'm not sure, but this is not normal. And the bushing was not within spec. The inside diameter was too large, the outside diameter was also too small, and it's not worn enough, so I cannot trust my measurement. So I do trust my measurement, and I asked somebody else to take the measurement also, and we both came up with the same result.